brand new system that's crashing all our economic system. Meant to live beyond the reasonable depth of non-existent teachers.
Reality students visit down into every day with someone they could be doubtful witness.
That's what we have to say.
Okay.
We paid this. Why are you immune to the virus in the womb? Why do we assume to the uni of a Zoom?
Why do you assume that a mask makes you immune? Soon that attitude may be your doom.
Why are you trying to keep us all inside? Andrew says it will keep you all alive. The economy will fight hard, no one inside. And we be going to the seaside.
Big walking doctors have it wrong, it's harming me. Can I get something stronger at the pharmacy?
This economy is probably increasingly falling, and honestly, that's why public servants seem to be competent.
We'll change all the law, we'll change all the big parts of it. You've seen injustice in the world, well, don't you march for it?
Now for strongholds and bureaucracy, Melbourne is fumbling overseas, going through these shops, not as meeting shops or praise.
Morrison at the Hillsong Jesus themed convention.
I am going to the local Jesus convention. There as a new converted Methodist. Now, what I'm going to say is I'm no specialist.
Morrison proposes his council of government.
What?
His own plan for the state's own empowerment.
What?
Books his samosas, focuses on business.
So what's a real plan?
Yo, what the fuck is this?
Why are you scared when you're witnessing a sneeze? Why only Andrews take it seriously? Nick Gabba finals guaranteed free explorations for this new disease. Why do you fight while we're trying to save your life?
Work day and night for our first human trial.
Every day they fight like this poison in a vial.
What are you doing? Anastasia,
But it's unheard, sir.
have you come here to start a fight?
Oh, I prefer, sure.
Is this a COVID, madam?
Yes, sir, let's make it snappy.
Well then proceed.
Sure, you're a better premier than me.
Okay.
I know I speak for my state when I say this the blues are bad in sport. Not completely baseless, but this is based on common sense. It's a solution.
I won't deny it.
Close in for Red Revolution.
No.
Keep you out.
No way.
A series of closures anonymously garnered, preventing the access to the public.
We simply don't need it.
I disagree.
And if this fails,
Gee, I just don't believe it.
our institution's a mess.
What's with this resentment?
We're bickering politicians.
Means that independence, we have to close borders.
No, that's gay.
You're an action mistake.
Good night.
Hey,
What are you waiting for? Vaccines to call yours? What? We've won the war. It's just uncalled for. Do you support the Constitution?
of course.
Then defend it.
And what if Murdoch calls me a horse?
How? We want sun, we want surf. Get our fill of some lotion on vacation, not a wall that you'll build. For once in our lives, we take the same side. I don't understand why you stand to his side.
Don't stick to my plans. I'm from the left. I will wait here and see which way the seas will go. Please hear me find more from the state of sticky one nation, more from the state of Joe.
I was just the mayor of London. I was plump and just as someone who wears toupees. I never said I hate all Muslims. I've always lived in comfort and burnt my pay. This is not a lot of fun, how there's no one who can match me for Tory ways. I'm just some wanker. I had COVID right.
Where we are. Look how hard you fucked it. That anyone's alive is a miracle.
I'm alive, it was just a cough. And NHS has been a superstar success. If I could save Elizabeth.
Big Pharma joined forces with the government to poison our water and sell us all 5G. It's all in the Australian Constitution, or as I call it, the toilet papers.
The plan was to vaccinate everyone with lizard eggs, the work divided evenly among the three genders. If we're not careful, they'll get 85% coverage in the span of 6 months. My first kid died
behind.